Today we are cooking the famous tom yum recipe soup with shrimp called tom yum goong. Very fragrant, full of fresh Thai herbs, and it's quick and easy to make. We have cilantro. We're going to use the roots. It adds a great flavor to the broth. Cut the softer bottom half of the lemongrass stalk. Ka or Thai ginger root. Cut it into about quarter-sized pieces. Rip or crush the kaffir lime leaves to release the essential oils. Very common in Thailand. You smash and put the whole clove. Ideally you want lime, but lemon is a great substitute. Now you can start adding your herbs.
Lemongrass.
It's common to add mushroom to tom yum, but we were not able to get any today.
Garlic.
All the fresh herbs just make tom yum smell so amazing.
Cilantro roots.
Let all the herbs boil for about 10 minutes. So it's best to use prawns with the head and shell for a richer broth. Let the soup come back to a boil. Sugar. Nam pla or fish sauce. Nam plik pao or Thai chili paste. Let the soup boil for about another 3 or 4 minutes.
ผักชีฝรั่ง
Add your greens toward the end so it's a little crisp. Or you can add them to your bowl as a garnish.
cilantro ผักชี
You can now turn off the heat and let it sit for a few minutes. Don't overcook the shrimp because the meat will get rubbery. You can now add your lime, which gives tom yum its nice sour flavor. There you have it, super quick and easy tom yum goong recipe. This is the clear version of tom yum goong with no milk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Thai home cooking videos. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time.